Hey everyone, picture this. A sleek electric sedan that rockets from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.8 seconds, packs 523 horsepower, and comes in at a price that makes German rivals suddenly look very expensive. The 2027 BYD Seal has just entered the chat, and the BMW i4 might finally have a real headache. What's up guys, welcome to Drive Bureau. Today we're taking a fresh first look at the 2027 BYD Seal, the electric sedan that's not here to play nice. It's here to dominate the performance EV game with killer design, serious power, and unbelievable value. Let's kick things off from the rear. The back end of the 2027 BYD Seal looks sharp, wide, and unmistakably modern. A full-width LED light bar stretches across the entire tail, creating a bold, high-tech signature that lights up beautifully at night. The tail lights have intricate detailing that gives it a premium feel, while a subtle integrated lip spoiler on the trunk lid helps with aerodynamics and adds a sporty touch. The rear sits slightly raised, giving the car a confident, planted stance that screams performance. Park this next to a Tesla Model 3 or a BMW i4 at night and the Seal's lighting signature makes it stand out instantly. It looks aggressive, yet elegant, exactly what you want in a fast electric sedan. Now swing around to the left side. This is where the 2027 BYD Seal really shows off its performance DNA. The silhouette is low, sleek, and streamlined with a beautiful coupe-like roofline that gives it a dynamic, athletic presence. The proportions are spot on. It looks fast, even when it's parked. Flush door handles sit perfectly flush with the body, helping reduce drag while giving the side a super clean, premium look. Subtle character lines along the doors add depth without making the design feel busy. Those large, sporty alloy wheels fill the arches nicely and give the car a grounded, confident stance. From this angle, it feels like a proper grand tourer that's equally happy carving corners or cruising on the highway. The right side tells the same exciting story. The long, flowing lines and low roof give the Seal that perfect balance between elegance and aggression. Whether you're pulling up to the office or hitting the highway for a weekend escape, this car turns heads without even trying. Compared to the more upright Tesla Model 3 or the sharper-edged BMW i4, the Seal feels more fluid and sophisticated, like it borrowed some design cues from a luxury coupe. Step inside the cabin and you immediately feel the premium vibe. The interior of the 2027 BYD Seal is clean, minimalist, and seriously tech-focused. Dominating the dashboard is BYD's signature rotating touchscreen that can flip between landscape and portrait mode depending on what you're doing. Super handy. For navigation or watching content when parked, right in front of the driver sits a crisp, fully digital instrument cluster that displays all the vital info clearly. The sporty, flat-bottom steering wheel feels great in the hands and keeps all the controls within easy reach. Material quality is impressive for this price bracket. You get soft touch surfaces, quality leather upholstery, and tasteful metallic accents that make the cabin feel more expensive than it actually is. Ambient lighting lets you set the perfect mood, whether you want a calm evening drive or a sporty, red glow. The front seats offer excellent support and comfort, perfect for daily commutes or long road trips. Higher trims even bring heating, ventilation, and memory functions. Rear passengers get decent legroom and headroom, making the Seal surprisingly practical for a performance sedan. Imagine taking the family out for a weekend getaway. This car can actually do it in style and comfort. Now the part everyone's waiting for, performance. The 2027 BYD Seal in its top variants uses a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup that delivers a whopping 523 horsepower. That translates to a blistering 0-100 km/h sprint in just 3.8 seconds. That's proper supercar territory for a family sedan. The instant torque from the electric motors makes overtaking effortless and gives the car that addictive shove in your back every time you floor it. Power comes from BYD's renowned blade battery technology, which is famous for its safety, longevity, and efficiency. Real-world range looks very competitive, easily allowing you to cover long distances without range anxiety. When you do need to top up, the fast charging capability means you won't be stuck waiting around for hours. Thanks to the low-mounted battery, the center of gravity is beautifully low, which translates to sharp handling, confident cornering, and a planted feel even at high speeds. It's the kind of car that makes you want to take the long scenic route, home just for fun. Let's talk money, because this is where the 2027 BYD Seal gets really dangerous for the competition. While exact pricing varies by market, early indications suggest it will land significantly below the BMW i4, Tesla Model 3 Performance, and other premium electric sedans, while offering comparable or better performance numbers. That kind of value proposition is exactly why many buyers are starting to seriously consider BYD over traditional German and American brands. So here's the big question for you. If you were shopping for a performance electric sedan right now, would you choose the 2027 BYD Seal over the BMW i4 or the Tesla Model 3 Performance? Would the combination of 523 horsepower, sleek design, and much friendlier price tag make you switch brands? Or do you still prefer the established premium badges? Drop your honest thoughts in the comments below. I read every single one. What about you? Do you think the rotating screen is a cool feature or just a gimmick? Let me know. Overall, the 2027 BYD Seal is a serious statement car. It brings together striking futuristic design, a premium and tech-loaded interior, class-leading performance, and most importantly, outstanding value. If the real-world driving experience matches these impressive specs, BYD has created something that could genuinely disrupt the entire electric performance sedan segment. If you enjoyed this detailed first look at the 2027 BYD Seal, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Drive Bureau, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest car reviews and first looks. We've got plenty more exciting EVs and performance cars coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Drive safe.